Hello, everyone. I'm Emma, your English teacher.
Hi there. I'm Jake, your conversation partner.
Today, we will learn about past events.
That sounds great. We will use regular verbs.
Yes, regular verbs usually end in ed.
I'm excited. When do we start?
We'll start with a dialogue. Are you ready?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Great. Let's talk about yesterday. What did you do?
Well, I walked to the park.
Oh, you walked to the park. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoy the fresh air.
Fresh air is nice. I visit my friend.
How was your visit?
We talked for hours. Did you play any sports?
Actually, I played soccer with my friends.
That sounds fun. Did you win?
No, we lost the game.
Oh no. But it's okay, right?
Yes, I still had a good time.
Good attitude. What did you watch on TV?
I watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched a funny one.
Sounds interesting. Did you find it funny?
Yes, I laughed a lot.
I love watching comedies.
What about you, Emma? What did you do yesterday?
Well, I walked in the morning and watched the documentary.
That sounds interesting. What was it about?
It was about nature. I really enjoyed it.
Nature is beautiful. Did you visit anywhere special?
Yes, I visited a beautiful garden.
Nice. I want to go there someday.
You should. Let's move to the explanation.
Sure. What do you want to explain?
I want to explain the past simple tense.
Okay. How does it work?
We add ed to regular verbs to show the past.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I walked to the store.
And what if I want to use talk?
You would say, I talked to my friend. See?
Got it. So for watch, it's watched, right?
Exactly. You would say, I watched a show on TV.
Great. And play.
It's played. You can say, I played soccer yesterday.
This is easy.
Finally, with visit, we say, visited relatives.
I see. This makes sense.
Now let's do another dialogue.
Sounds fun. Let's practice.
What did you do last weekend, Jake?
I visited my grandparents.
That's nice. How was your visit?
It was great. We talked about old times.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Did you watch anything?
We watched an old movie together.
What movie did you watch?
We watched a comedy. It was funny.
Good choice. Did you play games too?
Yes, we played card games.
Nice. Did you win?
No, I lost.
Oh dear. But did you have fun?
Yes, it was very enjoyable.
I love family time. What did you walk yesterday?
I walked in the garden.
Did you see any flowers?
Yes, I saw many beautiful flowers.
What a nice weekend. Now, let's go to vocabulary.
Okay, what's our first word?
The first word is walk.
Can you give some sentences?
Sure. I walk to school every day.
What's another one?
Yesterday, I walked my dog.
And the last one?
We walked along the beach last summer.
Great. Next word?
The next word is talk.
Let's hear some sentences.
I talked to my friend yesterday.
Another?
We talked about our families.
And one more.
I always talk to my teacher.
Let's move on.
Next is watch.
Some sentences, please.
I watched a documentary last night.
What else?
She watched her favorite show.
And one more time?
We watched the game together.
Sounds good. Next word?
The next word is play.
Tell me more.
I played basketball yesterday.
More sentences, please.
They played chess last week.
Another one?
We played outside all afternoon.
Final word.
Last word is visit.
Give me some sentences.
I visited my uncle last month.
What else?
She visited her friend last week.
And one more time?
We visited a museum together.
This is great. Let's review.
Yes, let's ask some questions.
What did you do last weekend?
What did you watch on TV?
Did you play any sports?
Where did you walk yesterday?
Who did you talk to last week?
Amazing job. Now it's time to close the lesson.
I had so much fun learning with you.
Me too. Next time, we'll learn about future tense.
I can't wait. See you then.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Keep practicing.